In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to part of another Microsoft Word document. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a direct link from one Word file to a specific section of another file without using bookmarks, headings, or cross-references. I will be demonstrating this using Word for Microsoft 365, and the same process also works in recent single-purchase versions on a PC. Keep in mind that these steps do not currently apply to Word for Mac or Word for the web. Before we begin, there is one very important thing to understand. Both documents must be stored in a location that your audience can access, such as a shared server or cloud storage. If either file is moved after the link is created, the connection may break. So make sure the files are saved in their final location before setting up the link. Start by opening the destination document, which is the file you want to link to. Once it is open, highlight the specific text that should serve as the clickable link. This could be a heading or a short, meaningful phrase that fits naturally within the context of the document where the link will appear. With the text selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy it to the clipboard. Leave this destination document open. Now open the document where you want to insert the link. Click in the exact spot where the link should appear. Then go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. In the clipboard group, select the small arrow under the Paste button and choose Paste Special. When the Paste Special dialog box opens, select the option labeled Paste Link. From the list of formats, choose Word Hyperlink and then click OK. The text you copied from the destination document will now appear in your current document as an active hyperlink. At this point, you can return to the destination file, save it to preserve your changes, and then close it. Finally, go back to the linking document and test the connection. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking the link. This ensures that the destination document opens directly to the correct location. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.